How many pool robots are you using right now? One for the floor, a skimmer for the surface? Well, what if one could do it all? Hi, I'm Diana, and I live here in sunny Arizona, where pools are basically a second living room, and that means pool maintenance never stops. Now, Aiper sent me their brand new Scuba X1 Pro Max in exchange for this video, and I cannot wait to test it out. Now, this thing is a beast in a good way, all in one, top to bottom, including the surface of your pool, and that's a game changer. When your robot arrives, the first thing you're going to want to do is put it on the charging base. It does come with two filters. Here's the standard one. This is for everyday use. But on those special occasions you want that extra sparkle in your pool, you want to use this micro mesh ultrafine filter. When you're ready to clean, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds and then pick your mode, whether it's hero mode, which is everything, floor mode, floor and walls, or skimmer only. If you're just cleaning the floor, you have 3 intensity levels to choose from. Now slowly drop the robot into the pool and let it do its thing. If you've never owned a pool robot before, you'll want to pull up a chair and watch. It's really amazing. Now this robot was built with some aviation-inspired technology. It has 9 motors and dual jets pushing 8,500 gallons of water per hour. It has 40 sensors, so it's going to map your entire pool 360 degrees. Of all the pool robots we've used, and I've used a lot of them, this is definitely the most sophisticated and powerful. Now let's continue to watch it in action. We were blown away at how effortlessly it navigated our pool and handled the steps, the slopes, and walls with ease. And in hero mode, as it neared the end of the cleaning cycle, it ascended a wall, drained the excess water, and then it just glided across the surface to skim away any debris. It was pretty impressive to watch. At the end of the process, it returned to the place we dropped it in and waited to be retrieved. Now, just in case it doesn't do that, it does come with this handy hook. Here's a pro tip. Once the battery is drained, do not let this robot sit in the pool for extended periods. You want to get it out and put it back in the charging stand as soon as possible. That's going to keep your battery healthy. And since you have no exposed charging contact points on the stand and just this wireless charging plate, you can put a wet robot right on the stand. Definitely a beast. It's smart, it's powerful, and it's heavy, but it does everything. So I hope I've answered all your questions and you can decide if this would be a fit for you or not, but I recommend you definitely check it out.